Why do 90% of people work hard but still stay broke? They try everything, but money still disappears. The problem is not income, it's behavior. Every month feels like a financial struggle. Even after working hard, nothing is left. And they wonder why others become rich. Social media makes it even worse. Stress becomes part of daily life. So what is really going wrong? Let's uncover the real truth. First mistake: no control over spending. People buy things they don't need. Short-term happiness destroys long-term wealth. Expenses grow faster than income. They never track where money goes. Comfort kills ambition. They avoid learning about investing. No savings plan at all. Peer pressure increases spending. And suddenly, money is gone again. Most people know they should make a budget. They just keep putting it off. The paycheck gets bigger. Somehow the bills grow even faster. This is called lifestyle inflation. Every raise becomes another upgrade. Making more money doesn't help if spending grows even faster. Many people avoid learning how investing works because it feels difficult. Debt quietly steals tomorrow's income before tomorrow even arrives. Working harder isn't always the answer. Sometimes you need a better direction. Financial education is one of the highest paying skills you'll ever learn. Hours disappear every day without creating anything valuable. Money can come back. Time never does. Every financial decision moves you in one direction or the other. Every unnecessary purchase delays your future freedom. Sometimes saying no is the smartest financial decision. Advertising is designed to make you spend, not save. Small savings grow when you stay consistent. Learning one new money lesson each week changes everything. Building wealth starts with tiny habits repeated every month. Real wealth grows slowly. That's exactly why most people quit. Rich thinking often looks boring in the beginning. The first step isn't earning more. It's managing what you already have. Many people try to look rich before they actually become rich. Stress often turns into emotional spending. Buying feels good, but only for a moment. The excitement disappears quickly. The payments stay much longer. Every unnecessary purchase quietly steals money from your future. Rich people learn to separate needs from wants. A simple budget tells your money exactly where to go. Saving isn't about the amount. It's about building the habit. Every dollar saved today becomes a seed for tomorrow. Learning how money grows is more valuable than chasing quick money. Wealth usually grows quietly. Slow growth is still growth. Every dollar has a job. Spend it, or let it work for you. Patience is one of the richest habits you can build. Money works like a snowball. Small beginnings become powerful over time. Compound growth rewards people who start early and stay consistent. The best time to invest was years ago. The second best time is today. Invest in knowledge before you invest large amounts of money. Financial freedom is built one small step at a time. Success isn't one big decision. It's hundreds of small, good decisions. The habits you repeat today become the results you live tomorrow. Changing your financial future starts with changing your daily habits. The choice is yours. Every dollar you invest today is another employee working for your future. The fastest way to earn more isn't luck. It's becoming more valuable. Every new skill increases your opportunities. Successful people invest time before they expect bigger income. Planning your day is also planning your financial future. Small choices repeated every day shape your future. Money grows where attention goes. Every great result begins with a tiny habit. Discipline often looks boring until the results appear. Getting rich usually isn't fast, it's consistent. Most people chase quick money. Wealthy people build lasting systems. A written plan turns dreams into measurable progress. An emergency fund protects your future from unexpected setbacks. Don't depend on one source of income forever. Even one extra income stream can completely change your financial future. Consistency beats intensity almost every single time. Good debt builds assets. Bad debt builds stress. The richest investment you'll ever make is in yourself. Real confidence comes from progress, not expensive possessions. Your financial future isn't decided by your past. It's decided by the choices you make starting today. Most people search for shortcuts. Wealthy people build a path that lasts. Real wealth rewards patience. Time is one of the greatest investments you have. Learning to delay gratification is one of the biggest differences between average and wealthy people. Never underestimate a small beginning. Every fortune starts with a single step. Consistency matters more than perfection. Financial freedom is built one decision at a time. The wealthy protect their attention because attention creates opportunity. Excuses never grow wealth. Action does. Preparation won't stop every problem, but it can stop a problem from becoming a disaster. Progress may feel slow today, but one day you'll be amazed by how far you've come. Every long journey begins with one simple decision to start. Your past mistakes don't define your future. The person who changes your finances is staring back at you every morning. Think beyond next week. Wealth is built by people who think years ahead. Small daily habits eventually become life-changing results. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one disciplined day at a time. Every smart financial choice moves you farther away from the life you don't want. Your future isn't written yet. Every decision from today changes tomorrow. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to begin. Remember, becoming rich isn't about luck. It's about the habits you repeat every single day. If this video changed the way you think about money, subscribe and start building the future your future self will thank you for.